Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript on mobile. First, select a reputable mobile coding application designed for interactive learning. Many excellent options are available, offering structured courses and immediate feedback. Ensure your mobile device has at least 2 GB of free storage for these applications and their associated content. A stable internet connection is also crucial for downloading lessons and syncing your progress across devices. This setup will provide a smooth and effective learning experience. Once set up, dive into the interactive lessons offered by your chosen app. These platforms often feature built-in code editors, allowing you to write and run JavaScript code directly on your mobile device. Make it a habit to complete daily coding challenges. Even 15 to 20 minutes of practice can significantly improve your skills. Regularly engage with the interactive quizzes to solidify your understanding of new concepts and syntax. Consistent practice is key to mastering JavaScript. To truly grasp JavaScript, begin building small, practical projects on your mobile device. Start with something straightforward, like a basic calculator or a simple to-do list application. These projects help you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Break down any larger project ideas into smaller, more manageable coding tasks. This approach makes complex projects less daunting and allows for steady progress. Experimenting with various JavaScript features within your projects will deepen your understanding. Finally, leverage the vast online resources and communities available to JavaScript learners. Join developer forums or social media groups to ask questions, share your code, and learn from others. Many free online documentation sites and tutorials offer in-depth explanations of JavaScript concepts. Additionally, consider using a mobile-friendly code playground for quick, isolated experiments with new syntax. Connecting with the community and continuously exploring resources will accelerate your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.